The biggest mistake you'll make after your first race isn't a bad training plan. It's overbooking your calendar.
You survived your first race. The instinct now is to jump on Bike Reg and register for everything in 2026. But copying a local elite's calendar is a massive trap for working adults.
Look at the actual toll of different events. A 100-mile gravel race creates deep, lingering muscular fatigue. A local 45-minute training crit spares your legs but heavily taxes your central nervous system and carries a higher crash risk.
Here's what most people miss. If you race a massive event like SBT GRVL, your next 2 weeks of training are basically ruined. Racing constantly means you're always recovering, never improving.
For adults with jobs and families, build your season around your reality. A first-year rider should target 2 to 3 events. A motivated recreational rider usually thrives on 4 to 6. Only push past 8 if you have exceptional recovery.
Honestly, that 4 to 6 event range is the sweet spot. It provides enough motivation for early Tuesday rides without turning cycling into an expensive, stressful job that annoys your family.
Let's look at a realistic 2026 calendar for that motivated rider. 1 spring training crit, a June gravel event, a late summer time trial, and a fall grand fondo. This spaces out the stress and the entry fees perfectly.
Time trials are great filler here. They are incredibly hard physically, but you skip the mental stress of pack riding. You can recover from a 20K time trial in just a couple days. How do you know if you are overbooked? Watch for the warning signs. If every workout feels flat, you're hiding entry fees from your partner, or you feel relief when an event gets rained out, you are racing too much. A quick warning about Zwift Racing League. Virtual races are convenient, but your nervous system doesn't know you're in the garage. Those threshold efforts absolutely drain your weekly recovery budget. So if you're planning your 2026 season, here is my default recommendation. Pick exactly 3 A priority events, spread months apart. Fill the gaps with local group rides. Keep it manageable. Race to enjoy riding, not the other way around.